Hey guys, this is Grace and welcome to another video. Today this is process 192 and it's entitled Viva Summertime. This is my second layout featuring the July Flavors of the Month kit from the ScrapRoom Kit Club, and it specifically features the papers from Photo Play, Squeeze and Some Fun collection, along with a few things from the embellishment add-on kit. So the first thing that I'm going to do here is I'm going to cut this really pretty floral paper, and I'm going to just cut out a frame around it because I wanted to use the white cardstock base that came in the mini kit. However, it just felt like a little bit plain on the edges. It's just that's just kind of my go-to. Is I like kind of a frame within a frame. Does that make sense? I want to frame my page, so I usually do that with some kind of cardstock or pattern paper, and this one just kind of lends itself perfectly. That there's a little bit of hint of color, but then it doesn't overpower the background, which is the white. I have three 3x4 photos, and they're all going to be vertical, and I'm going to set that to the left and then put this yellow paper onto the right. I believe I'm cutting about 6 inches or maybe 7 inches wide, and then I'm going to cut that the same length or same height rather of my photos. And then I'm going to add a few of these strips of paper, which is actually the back side of the floral paper, and I'm going to put that on the top and bottom, and I'm actually going to cut the ends of that into a notch as well. So a little bit about, I'm sorry, I'm trying to do a lot of voiceovers today and I think I'm losing my voice, but a little bit about the photos. These are photos of me and my family. My sister came to town last summer, and of course we were playing tour guides for them, and so we brought them to all of our favorite places, and one of our favorite summertime treat is of course ice cream, and we have a local place that we love to go to. Now, because this is ice cream and we have these really pretty papers, I decided to create my own ice cream embellishment. So I used I just googled a ice cream image, and then I cut the scoop out, or traced and then cut the scoop out, and then also the cone with some pattern paper. And I'm gonna do one that has 3 scoops and one that has 2 scoops. And I love how this turned out because I was able to feature all of the papers, but in small dosage, so it's not too overwhelming, but at the same time I created something, an embellishment that was geared perfectly to the theme of my page. So I hope that you guys have been enjoying the summer. I don't know what you guys, maybe it's not summer in your area if you're like in the other side of the world, but here we're in the thick of summer. We're in July, and I've just been enjoying this time, especially now that I don't have school, because in the past 5 years I've been in school, and for some reason the school that I was going to, their spring semester actually does not end until the 3rd week of July, and so my kids have been out of school for at least a month and a half before I could get my break, and that's just hard for us because then I can't go on too many vacations because I have homework to do, and then if I do go on a trip I always bring homework. So this is really the first year that I didn't have to do any schoolwork, and I have been enjoying it. I've been doing lots of things with my kids, and I'm doing lots of organization in my home. And so if you are in an area where it's summer right now, I hope that you guys are enjoying this season. And let me know what your favorite season is in the description below, because I'm kind of curious. Some people of course like the sunshine, some people would rather do the winter, and I like them all, don't get me wrong, but I am especially fond of summer. Oh, and I want to let you know that I am having a giveaway right now on my YouTube channel. It actually went live on the 1st of July, and because this is my birthday month, and so if you are inclined to do so to enter the giveaway, make sure that you check out that video. It will be in my YouTube channel, and if I remember, I will make sure to link it in the description below. But other than that, I hope that you guys enjoy the rest of your day, enjoy the rest of your season. If you have any questions, make sure that you leave it in the comment section below. If you like these kinds of videos, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. It always helps for people to subscribe and to comment, because then it helps me to provide more content like this. And that is it. I will catch you guys another day. Bye.